Print very long string completely in pandas data frame. I am struggling with the seemingly very simple thing. I have a pandas data frame containing very long string. Now when I try to print the same, I do not see the full string, I rather see only part of the string. I tried following options. Using printdf.illic2, using to underscore HTML, using to underscore string. One of the Stack Overflow answers suggested to increase column width by using pandas display option. That did not work either. I also did not get how set underscore print options would solve this.
You can use options.display.max_callWidth to specify you want to see more in the default representation. And indeed, if you just want to inspect the one value, by accessing it, as a scalar, not as a row as df.illic2 does, you also see the full string.
Use pd.set_option display.max_callWidth, none, for automatic line breaks and multi-line cells. This is a great resource on how to use Jupyter's display with pandas to the fullest. Edited, used to be pd.set_option display.max_callWidth, -1.
Another, pretty simple approach is to call list function. No worth to mention, that is not good to convent to list the whole columns, but for a simple line, why not?
Another easier way to print the whole string is to call values on the data frame. The output will be
Não há função que precise dessa série.